Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elisa, and I help property managers to master modern marketing without breaking the budget. In this episode, we're going to work with Canva AI to create an open house flyer. It does not require you to have any graphic design skills or even experience with Canva prior. So let's dive into it. So in order to work with Canva AI, you want to have the Pro account. It will give you access to the Canva AI Studio. With Canva AI Studio, you can create different projects using AI. You can create a design, you can generate an image, you can create a document, you can also generate a code for your website, and you can also do a video clip. I highly recommend checking out one of my previous videos where we tested out the AI code and we did like a countdown for our monthly special, which we put on our property website. Canva already has a bunch of AI pre-made templates, so I highly recommend checking them out. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna create a flyer for an open house for one of our imaginary properties. You don't have to use this for an open house. You can literally prompt Canva to do any other flyer for your property. Either it's a notice or an event, or you want to make a big sign for non-smoking or rules and regulations, literally anything. So first thing, what we are going to do, we're gonna add our branding to the AI prompt. We're gonna add apply brand kit, and we're gonna select our property. Now that we have our brand kit, you can also upload any images if you would like, but if you already have them in your brand kit, that's perfect. If you're not sure what the brand kit is, I'm gonna show it to you right here. It's a feature in Canva Pro, which you can upload all your design details for your property. You can have your logo, you can have your color palette, you can select fonts for your brand specifically if you use them. You can add a brand voice, you can also add your pictures related to the property, any related graphic, icons, chart. It's really up to you how much you want to put into Canva, but I do highly recommend filling up all those items because later on you can ask AI or just the Canva Pro machine itself to generate flyers or marketing materials for you. It will cut you so much time just by having already everything inputted into Canva. The part that is probably going to take you the most time is going to be the prompt. So I highly encourage you to sit down, think through it, and make it as detailed as possible. So for this one, I started by telling the AI that I want to create a flyer for an open house. I added the details of the event, the date, location, address, and then I also wanted to make sure that we're highlighting a same day special, so that way we're encouraging people to apply basically on the same day as the open house. And I also let it know in terms of design and the way that I want it to look like. I want to have space for two pictures. One that I'm going to add is going to be my exterior picture, and the other one is going to be one of the interiors. I also told him that at the bottom, I want to have a footer for a website, phone address. I didn't include, but we're also going to include the fair housing logo. It's a must on all flyers. And then I really told him that I want to keep the design very simple, minimalistic, but true to the brand. And I told him to use an abstract PNG to add a nice touch to the design. Again, here you can insert your brand kit. So that's what we are going to do. And yeah, let's give it a try. Ooh, okay. We got a few options. And as you can see, they're using the colors from our brand kit. I'm gonna choose this flyer and I'm gonna move forward and customize it more to my needs. So I'm gonna click here, use Canva editor, and then we're gonna fix whatever the AI couldn't generate properly. But for the base, it gave us a good outline. So for now, we just need to customize it to our needs. We have open house event, explore your future, 3 months on an application. Let's see here. We're gonna add and change the pictures right away. And I'm gonna add this picture here. I don't know what are these icons for. We're gonna delete them. Gonna change right here and here. That's the easiest part. Okay, I like it here. November 3rd, 12 to 3 p.m. Visit our leasing office today. Enjoy refreshments and tours available. Apply today, get 3 months free. RSVP now, secure the spot for your tour. Visit our website for more details. Okay, the AI did miss our logo, so we are gonna get our logo and place it on the flyer. Let's see, open house events. Maybe I'm just gonna remove the event part. Gonna move this here and add the logo up in the middle. Here I'm gonna add our website, for example, because if we want people to RSVP, they're gonna do it through the website. So it's gonna be 3660 hobbsroad.com. Then we're gonna add a phone number, let's say 336-678-456. And if we want to email, we're gonna do 336 hobbsroad@properties.com. Now we're going to add the fair housing logo to our design. I want to find the one with no background. I'm gonna click copy image and then I'm gonna paste it. Control B right here and add it at the bottom somewhere. Yeah, I feel like the middle is nice. If you're looking for something quick and easy and simple, this is your solution. Especially if you don't have graphic design experience or simply don't have time for it, this could be a great alternative. And as AI grows and develop, I'm pretty sure this machine will only become better. If you're looking to master creating flyers with more complicated designs, drop a comment. I'd love to go over some of the more cooler and fun designs, again, which using Canva are so easy to do. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.